friends. That's right, it's Dillon. It's Dillon coming to you live from the Dillon compound once again. Hope you're having a fantastic afternoon. My God, I am just feeling a little butthurt. I mean, my God, got off work today and thought, well, I'll swing by the store and grab some chicken and some stuff to make some fajitas with. Hell, I got the bell peppers and onions in the house. I thought, well, I'll make it work. And I thought, well, shit, look down the seat. Yep, there's the water bill. I gotta pay the water bill. Okay. Oh, shit. Gas gauge. Gotta run by my stop for non-ethanol. It's $3 a gallon, but by God, it's worth it. And I thought, well, shit, you know, dang, chicken fajitas, that's going to be like $24, $25 for supper. Oh, man, that's a hit. After buying some beer, you know, $50 worth of beer. Shit. Oh, hell, it'll be worth it. It's good. It's good. It's good shit. Well, today turned in to being like a $850 day. Yes, it did. But I'm pleased with it. But at the same time, I'm like, damn it, boy! I gotta quit this shit. Let me tell you about this. Let me put my glasses on where I can see y'all. If I ain't seeing y'all, I'm seeing me. That's an ugly motherfucker. Oh. Well, first off, I scratched my leg. The bleeding did stop. I'm gonna have to get midget. Got off work. Got gas. Went and paid the water bill. And I thought, you know what? Hell, I've been looking at them Glock 27s online. I got little bitty, you know, just, I don't know, you just stick them in your ass and pull them out whenever you need them. You know, you can carry them anywhere. And I thought, man, I love a Glock. Boy, fucking tug one off to a Glock. Now, I've been looking at them online, and I searched out different places, you know, that had them. Murfreesboro, here, out of stock. I'm like, oh, fuck. So, while I was up paying the water bill, I thought, shit, I'll swing in Tolliver's. I'll see what they got. Hell, I might fucking go half-ass and sacrifice for a fucking Ruger or something, you know. Something I can just stick in my ass and carry, you know. But I got up there and lo and behold, they had a Glock 27. And the son of a bitch had laser sights on it. That's right. Oh, I'm like, son of a bitch. Damn it, boy. So my $30, $40 chicken fajita, taco, whatever it may erupt into be, Turned out to be $850 because I bought it. Check that out. Ain't that sweet? Pow! Fuck y'all, didn't I? Hadn't shot it yet, and the laser sights, evidently I left them on while I was fucking with a cat up there, and I ran the battery dead. And I went to Dollar General, I went to Walmart. They don't carry those compacts, sealed 4 battery pack. They don't carry shit for Glocks. That's what it boils down to. I'm gonna have to order it on Amazon, which I have. Should have done that shit first. But any hee-haw, howdy. What do you say we shoot this son of a bitch? I'm in, you in? I gotta find Little Dick, make sure he's in the clear. I get this phone off the tripod. Alright, so far so good. Gotta get me a cold swig of beer. Ah! Like I said, I hadn't fired it yet, but if it's gonna blow up, I wanna be drunk when it does. Dick, where you at, bud? Dick, come on, bud. Come on, boy. Come on. He's nowhere in sight. Shit, I'm out in the sun. I can't see how to reverse the camera. I still can't figure it out. I'll do the best I can. I'll point it that way and we'll do what we can. Alright, let's see what we can do. I ain't drunk. Dead on! That's what I'm talking about. Tore that bottle up. Y'all have a fantastic afternoon. I'm going to eat some tacos. Y'all welcome. Have a good one.